What up, everybody? This is Maestro Stevens with Iconic Templates, and this is a quick installation guide to set up and install your Uni forms with Fluent Forms. To begin, we're going to first install and activate Fluent Forms. So to install and activate Fluent Forms, you're going to go to your plugins, hover over your plugins, and either click it or click Add New Plugin. And this is if you already don't have Fluent Forms installed on your website. Next, you're going to go to the search bar over here in the WordPress repo and type in Fluent Forms. From there, you're going to install and activate Fluent Forms. Once installed and activated, you're going to go to your Iconic Templates My Account dashboard. And then in the Downloads menu area, you're going to look for Uniforms and then download Uniforms to a location that you can easily find. Once you've downloaded Uniforms, you're going to locate Uniforms and then double click it here or right click it to open it up. Inside your Uniforms, you're going to see a JSON file that says all forms, and this is to import all your forms. You also will see other form categories that are folders. Every single folder has individual forms as a JSON file, and they also have an all category JSON file as well too. So you'll see even in this one, it has all construction forms, and then it has the individual forms as individual files. And this was to give you all the option to choose which direction you wanted to go. So I'm going to go back to WordPress and I'm going to hover over Fluent Forms and then click on Tools. Next, you're going to import your forms or import an individual form. So for example, to import an individual form, you're going to click Choose File. And then from there, you're going to choose any file that you want to choose. So let's choose the traveler feedback form here. And then I'm going to click Open. And then I'm going to click Import Forms. So you will see if you click on this Forms tab here, you will see the traveler form right here. Now, if we wanted to import more forms, I'm going to go back to Tools, Import Forms, and then choose a file. Now I'm going to choose a category for all my forms, such as sports. So I'm going to click the All Sports Fluent Forms JSON file, and then click Open. Then I'm going to click Import Forms. Just to double check, I'm going to go back to Forms and see that I have all my sports forms here. And to edit a form, you can easily click Edit and then customize your form as you see fit. So let's go back here and see that we have sports and we have travel as our imported forms. These two forms came default with the plugin. So to import all your forms, you're going to click on Tools, Import Forms, choose File, and then let's go to the main folder and let's search for the All Forms JSON file. You're going to click the All Forms JSON file, then click Open, and then click Import Forms again. And this will import all the forms that are inside the Fluent Forms Uniforms library. So every single form that is within a category, you'll be able to import at one time doing it this way. And you can edit the form from here. If you click this action button, edit, and you can edit your form as you see fit. Now, one thing to note is that our Uniforms with Fluent Forms works with both the Fluent Forms free version and the Pro version. However, with the Pro version, you are going to get more features and you're going to get more fields to be able to use with our forms or with your own forms. And that is just something that I wanted to quickly let you know. That is how you import all of your uniforms with Fluent Forms and with the click of a button. Peace.